Hey guys, using the mouse to control VLC works, but the keyboard is much faster. In this video, I will show you how to control VLC Media Player using only the keyboard. First, open VLC Media Player and play any video. To play or pause the video, press the space bar. To stop the playback completely, press the S key. If you want to go forward in the video, press the right arrow key. To go backward, press the left arrow key. Each press skips a few seconds, making it perfect for quick navigation. To increase the volume, press the up arrow key. To decrease the volume, press the down arrow key. To mute or unmute the sound instantly, press the M key. To go full screen, press the F key. Press F again to exit full screen mode. If you want to change playback speed, use the plus key to speed up. Use the minus key to slow the video down. To jump to the next item in a playlist, press the N key. To go back to the previous item, press the B key. You can also control subtitles using the keyboard. Press the V key to cycle through available subtitles. To delay subtitles forward or backward, use the G and H keys. If you want to see or customize all shortcuts, press Ctrl and P to open settings. Go to the Hotkeys section to view or change any keyboard shortcut. Once you learn these keys, using VLC becomes much faster and easier. And that's how you can control VLC Media Player with your keyboard. If this helped you, save it and check out my other VLC tutorials for more tips.